Is your garage door refusing to open or close? This frustrating issue could stem from a variety of problems, such as complications with the opener, remote control malfunctions, sensor misalignments, or even a simple power outage. These are not just inconveniences, but can compromise the security and functionality of your home. If you're in the Wollongong area and facing these problems, help is just a phone call away. Reach out to us at 040-977-4111 and let our team of qualified professionals restore your garage door to perfect working order. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Ensure your safety and convenience with a fully functional garage door today.